Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vibes with Valencia, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I created this beautiful bling mirror for under $40. So if you would like to see how to achieve this look, please continue to watch. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these beads. So they have the circle and teardrops, and there is like a different assorted type of shape. It got diamonds, they have square, triangle, oval, circle, and the teardrop. So this is what it looks like. I can get my camera to focus. They said to use gem tack, but I'm using hot glue with a little bit of E6000. This is for $17.99, but I got it 50% off. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go in and take out all of the circles and all of the teardrops, and I'm going to line them up around my mirror so that I could have a nice bling mirror. Alright guys, so I purchased this 30 by 40 inch mirror from Hobby Lobby, and it was originally for $150, but I got it on sale for $25 because there was just a simple crack in the mirror. So that's something that you guys might want to check out. Like if you go to Hobby Lobby, you want to see if something is damaged, you just want to go ahead and ask the manager if they could give you a discount on it, and most of the time they'll mark it down like 70%, sometimes 80% off. So that's just a FYI. So the pattern that I decided to go with for this mirror is one teardrop in the middle and two circle gems on the side. I use my E6000 and my hot glue to adhere the gem to the mirror. Alright guys, so here is the completed look of my do-it-yourself bling wall mirror decor in my foyer. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I really and truthfully enjoyed making this quick little video for you guys to show you all how you could dress up your foyer for a cheap, inexpensive way. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And before going, I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers for joining my channel, and to all of my old subscribers, thank you guys for rocking with me and sharing this video, guys. I really and truthfully appreciate it. So until next time, I will see you in the next video.